Hi, welcome to Industrial Surplus. This is a video demonstration of our 1988 Fadal HT 4020 4-axis CNC vertical machining center. It's equipped with a Fadal 88 control, a Fadal VH-65 horizontal vertical rotary table. Right now it's in the vertical position, and it has a coolant pump and tank, which I believe is around here somewhere. This unit here, here's a side of the machine showing lubrication, our power in, the high torque motor, spindle motor. It's a 20 horsepower motor. I got the operator's manual for the machine. It's got heavy duty box ways. It's a well built machine in very good condition. It was in a high-end turbine blade manufacturing facility here in Connecticut, and they were running stainless steel 400 series. The table's in nice shape. Rotary table's in good condition. All the ways are in nice shape. It's a Cat 40 spindle taper, and it's a 21 position tool changer. Unfortunately, we don't have any tools, but we'll show you the machine. We're going to jog the table just to show you that it does work. And we're going to do what they call a cold start program that's in the machine. And what it does basically is turn the spindle on and kind of goes through back and forth motions of all the axes. It's also got part of a Renishaw part probe. We don't have the other portion that would mount on the table, but that part is there if somebody wants to try to get it going. I will walk around. That squeak you heard was the stainless steel weight cover in the back, going back and forth. This is the cold start program that just kind of goes back and forth. The spindle's on, running about what?
I think we're running at 250.
250 RPM. And again, that squeaky here is just the weight cover back and forth. Right there. Oh no, I think it might be the front one actually. Yeah, kind of sounds like the front one. I can show you the inside of the electrical cabinet. We had 3 boards, 2 brand new boards. Looks like there's a newer board on the rotary table and a rebuild board on the X-axis. We also did a, what was it, a resolver or an encoder on the X-axis travel?
And a motor in the A-axis.
And a motor on the A-axis, yep. Here's part of the Renishaw probing system as well. It's got a indicator light. These are hydraulic power packs for fixturing. If you wanted to, you could jack air into them and connect it to whatever kind of clamping or fixturing you wanted to use. They're just in the machine. They probably had some kind of vise. They kept that. just moving incrementally back and forth, up and down. Okay, that's our video. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to show it to you or answer any questions you might have. Thank you very much.